Hey guys, Buzz here. I love Cold Cow, but I'm still sticking with Buzz. So today I'm stuck, well, not stuck, but I'm over with Wolf Knives TV, also subscribe. I'll put both of his links to his channels in the description below, but pretty much what we've got is a whole bunch of sharp objects and some stuff to cut with 3 different angles. Why did you trust me with this one? And Avery. Alright, so...
That's the GoPro, that's the computer, and then the camera.
What should we start with?
Okay, yep. This might not have been a very good idea. Ready?
Alright, yep, ready. Oh my god, he cut it clean in half.
That was awesome. Back in the sheath.
That's some really cheap soda. And really flat.
Yeah.
So, I don't know what it says. Awesome. I want it. I really do. Alright. That looks, it's foaming. It's like...
I'm gonna stand way back here.
Alright. 3, 2, 1. Did nothing.
That did absolutely nothing.
Alright. Try it with this.
Is there any water in it?
Yep. Barely even got it.
Is there any water left in it?
Nope, I nicked it. Jeez.
Well, grab. Give me the Gerber. No, let me try your Schrade.
Mine?
Yeah.
What?
Let me try your Schrade. Oh. I'm just gonna whack it.
Have fun. It left a bigger dent than it did anything. Oh no, you did put a hole in it.
Yeah.
Really messed up hole.
Oh, well, stepped on that can.
Oh, I did the same exact thing.
The sheet sucks.
I know, I hate it. Alright. I've been waiting to do this.
You're gonna try it with the sword?
Yeah. I'm gonna go with the reach.
Yeah.
Alright.
Another hit. I want to check the salt after we get out.
I planned on it. Alright, so
oh, come on.
RIP Sword 2016 to 2017. So if you guys didn't know, this is a battle, no, not a battle ready, it's a display sword. So right there, that could possibly break. You didn't know.
Oh, why are you trying to? Are they shooken up?
It's not battle ready, so cheap, like $30 swords from
Okay.
Army Barracks. Alright.
I'm just gonna grab my phone real quick.
I feel like I'm gonna go like that and hit that.
Hey.
Roll. Roll.
Yep, we're all rolling.
3, 2, 1.
Fatality.
Did you warp? Wait.
I knew that was gonna happen.
Let me look at it.
I don't know if you guys...
Oh, look. The heart is like broken. Let me see that.
I knew that was gonna happen. Oh, I barely even hit it. I barely even hit. Oh god! Wow, that did it.
Whoa.
We kept hitting the can. Wait, is this the other can?
I don't think there's anything. No damage. I'm trying it with the axe. Here, hold this.
All right. Well, RIP one sword. That sucks.
Set the music.
Shake it. I knew that was gonna happen.
See, I might miss, I might not, I don't really know. One-handed, two-handed, you one-handed.
I think I'm one-handed.
Oh, that got me so. My eyebrows covered in freaking orange soda.
Oh,
There's splatter all over here.
you got me and you got my phone case. Oh, but you didn't get the camera, you just got the case.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, good lord. No, it is.
Okay, well, I'm
Uh-huh.
recording again. Oh, more soda to drink.
Got really
Okay.
cheap.
Let me try out the short sword on one of the fingers.
Go ahead, I guess. I want to see if this will even fit in the sheath.
Yeah, you're gonna need the sword for like a minute. I got enough footage on there though.
What if I can just
Bend it back. Yeah, kinda-ish. Here's your phone. Take your phone back.
just like new?
Just. I mean, that might not help throwing it into the ground.
I know, right?
I should just try and go for like a thrust with it.
So small.
Just do that.
Did more damage to you than hit the can. Okay, this is cardboard. And that's all it did. Just.
That would look awesome on slow-mo.
Wow.
Oh.
It did.
Oh,
we can
wow.
still use this.
Yeah. Wait, let's just put it out of its misery.
Yeah. Where's the, yeah, let's see where's the machete.
I don't even know if it'll cut through it because there's no water in it.
Something like your gun showing.
It flew.
Bye. Have a great time. What else? I don't know.
We'll try the like granite on.
Oh, wait. I forgot about my butterfly knife.
Ooh, yeah. Forward or reverse grip? I think in reverse.
Yeah.
Actually, no. If I'm gonna go like this so I don't get in the frame so I can actually see what's going on.
Yeah, you're good.
Well, that was...
The hell did that do?
Well, very clean cut right here.
Goodness.
This is why I wish we had my phone so we could, like, give it, like, put it. Very sharp. Okay, I'm gonna try this side now. Okay, put the GoPro back. I'm gonna try.
Here, I'm trusting you.
Okay. Oh, just knocked it over.
Jeez. Do I want to try to cut the handle?
Wait. They got milky water all over you.
Yeah! Alright, ready?
Go.
Wow.
We're gonna have to pick all this up.
There's my crammit, then there's Avery's crammit. Wow. Hey, so returnable, technically. Well, actually, no, it's not
Let's test out the Schrade on a
returnable.
orange soda can. That's not returnable.
I don't know, it's melt.
Let's try out the Schrade on the soda can. So weird. You wanna try it?
Sure.
I don't wanna be behind the camera.
It's gotta shake, shake, shake.
Shake your
Shake, shake,
sensor.
Just shake your soda. Ah, so funny, so clever. Ah!
Oh, you capped it. You capped it. You capped it. It's
Here,
a horribly,
wanna do the honors?
a horribly unclean cut.
Oh, that's gonna look awesome in slow-mo.
Oh, that tastes really good, actually. Oh, wait, there's no bit here. Huh?
Remember my idea yesterday with the pickaxe?
Yeah. What are you gonna do?
Oh yeah, disclaimer, don't try any of this at home. We're doing this so you don't have to do this.
I'm gonna put it in the video description too.
And sodas. Alright, 3, 2,
Oh, Jesus.
1.
That was cool.
Your hatchet is covered.
Yeah, I bet it is.
Oh, dude. The aftermath is real.
That's it.
Oh, I'm covered. I am soaked.
I could probably zoom it in on the thing.
Stick.
Okay, how many do we have left?
Oh.
1, 2, 4, 5.
Here, you know what?
Got anything else? Hey, we haven't tried this thing.
Yeah, we haven't tried my mossy up.
Like,
Alright.
I'm gonna brush with it. No, I'm gonna do like this. Let's do the Walking Dead stab with it. Oh my god!
Stop the bleeding. Alright, you know, do it now before it gets like. All my GoPros, like. Oh, that's
Coolest
awesome.
thing I've done all day. Well, we're gonna have to clean all these when we get back.
again?
I'm gonna take a sip out of it.
I'm special. I drink out of broken soda can.
I'm gonna need to wash it.
Alright, I want to pull off an Avery. I want to cut a printer your thing and see how it goes.
Let's do it.
Oh, wait, where's the cover cap thing?
Do this one.
I don't know if I can find it.
Wait. While you're looking for that, I'm gonna.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll get this one.
Alright, so if you guys don't know what I know, right? If you guys don't know what I mean by I want to pull off an Avery.
It's gonna be in next video, by the way.
Yeah. In his video, the one that he showed me. So it's kind of like a sneak, well, not technically, I got a sneak peek. You know, just watch, just wait and watch. It'll be, and what will it be in this video on your channel? From the like your angle, or?
I don't know.
I'm gonna watch it from this side too. Alright.
That was cool.
I said, oh. Ooh.
I don't know what I'm gonna try with this thing. I'm gonna try something cool though. What if you did 2 of them and I went? And I tried to stab both of them too, so don't get all over yourself. Well, no, okay, put that can up. Put the machete on the table. And, you know, I'm just gonna
Oh, that tastes disgusting.
stab like that. That was anti-venom.
That was so anti.
I was just attacked.
Good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
So clean. What?
Gerb. Ow! Just stabbed myself with one of these little spikes.
Oh my god. Look how clean, I mean, for a machete? How much was that machete?
$15.
Alright, so that machete, the Gerber, and my machete, this one, it was like $14.99. It came out to like 15 and some change after tax. Same price the machete, just different companies, and his cut way cleaner than mine did.
Tastes like iron
I wonder why.
and orange soda.
So sticky. Alright, oh wait, we haven't done anything with my butterfly knife.
No, we haven't. We need to like flip it open and then hit it. No, you need to flip it open and stab it.
Ooh. Ow! Pinched my finger.
Ow.
Shake, shake, shake.
I want to see if I can. How many silvers do we have left?
Two. What are we gonna do with them?
It's the final countdown. Oh wait. I want to test out this damn it. I want to have soda can.
Alright. You ready?
That was cool.
Oh, that blew my hand back. Oh my god. Entrance wound. Right there. Exit wound. Entrance. Exit. Entrance. Exit.
So it kind of just like hit it. It went through and just kind of exploded outward.
Entrance. Exit. So awesome!
I'm thinking I'm gonna do like that. Or should I go?
Oh, that's how I did it last night. I went like that.
They look cool?
Ah, I can show you the video.
Okay. Well, there's milk remnants on the edge of this.
Oh, that's gonna look awesome in slow-mo.
That was cool.
That was that moment of silence before either one of us said anything.
That's going on the channel.